Yep.
Okay, so we're talking about lossless compression now, which is kind of like the opposite of lossy compression. It's the analogy I've got here is a bit like a block of ice that we need to transport through a straw, but it won't fit through the straw. And this is a bit like a large bit of data that's going through broadband from one place to another. But this pipe of broadband, it's just too small. It's just going to take too long to squeeze it or break up the ice and get it through there. So we melt the ice or we compress the ice. It slides through nice and quickly because it's a lot smaller or thinner. And then we freeze it again at the end so it still looks the same. Whereas with lossy, we can do the whole making it thinner and smaller. It goes through the pipe and then it stays thin and small and not as good. And so that's the difference. Whereas lossless, we can freeze it again. That's the big fundamental difference. So a classic example is like a zip file. You get this massive Word document, you right-click, go to compress it, zips it up, it uses some software to make it smaller, then you can email it off, and then some other software that all computers have got, all operating systems have got, will unzip it so you can then see it as a Word document the way you should have seen it, and it gets back to its original size again. So that is lossless compression.